Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to block someone on LinkedIn app. So guys, I'm showing you on my LinkedIn app in Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same step. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see this is my Android phone, and I just open my LinkedIn application. And if you want to block someone, so just open this profile. Okay, I will open this profile. I just accept this application and just this is my profile. Okay, this is a profile which I want to block, and you can see here, you can see the three dot option. Click on it, and you just scroll down and click on the report and block. When you click on report and block, you will see the many options. You can report content or profile, report post, comment or message. You get help from the person, and you can block the person. The Roma is the name. Okay, so if you click on this, it will be blocked. Okay, you have to click on it for block. If you want to report, you can report from here. If you want to block only, just click on this option, and then this person will be blocked. Okay, so that is how you can block someone from LinkedIn app. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.